How to receive Bitcoin on PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can receive Bitcoin on PayPal, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to receive Bitcoin on PayPal, all you have to do is first of all open the PayPal application, and then you will see this kind of interface where you need to tap on the option where it says crypto on the right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the option called crypto, on the next specific page, again you want to make sure you're under the crypto tab, and then here you'll see the available crypto that you have. If you want to receive, let's say, Bitcoin for example, you just need to tap on the option called Bitcoin. And once you tap on Bitcoin, it will give you all this information to buy or sell, but of course we are not going to do that. Instead, we are going to tap on the little arrow icon from the bottom right screen. And then after you tap on that icon, you'll be able to see send or receive. And since we need to receive Bitcoin on PayPal, you want to make sure to tap on the receive option, and then it'll ask you some other information. So just get started with it and then agree to the terms and conditions, tap on OK. And then here you'll see your Bitcoin wallet address. Just make sure to copy this wallet address. Now it depends upon from where you're sending to PayPal. If you're sending over from Coinbase, then you have to actually paste the wallet address on Coinbase and then send Bitcoin from there. If you're actually sending it from Binance, from Robinhood, from any of the other cryptocurrency applications as well, you want to make sure to simply paste this wallet address over there, and then they will be able to send it. If someone is trying to send cryptocurrency or Bitcoin to you, you want to make sure to give them your Bitcoin wallet address, and then they will be able to send crypto to this specific wallet over here. And since that is an app specific tutorial, I'm not going to cover that. I'm only going to show you how to receive. And as you can see, as long as you have a receiving Bitcoin code with you, anyone else can send cryptocurrency or Bitcoin over to your PayPal crypto wallets. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.